Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is up to date, you can proceed to install Pluma. To do this, enter the following command. This command will download and install the Pluma text editor on your Ubuntu system. Once installation is complete, you can run it by running next command or by icon. Pluma will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.